right, you guys, I am going to be picking the winner that will get a mystery beauty bundle. And in that beauty bundle, it's going to have the CALA I Need It 5-piece brush set. That's the one that has the travel. Let's copy that link. Sorry, I'm trying to keep this thing as steady as I can. The link is now pasted into the YouTube comment picker. But before that, I took it and I have the number generator. And that number generator is going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I guess we just click it to spin, huh? Okay, so there it is, number 3. So that's the number that we are looking for. So we come over to the random comment picker, we filter duplicate users. It is based on, what are we looking for? We're looking for the number 3. Now, whoever had the number 3 goes into the drawing with regards to, that's how I said I was going to do this. So here we go. Okay, there were 6 people that guessed number 3. And let's start this thing now. Debbie M. Oh, how I wish I could have some fill-ins for the days I don't want to show up. I totally get you on that one. That is so sweet to send a birthday card out to those who would like one. You got a lot of good stuff. I really like the sticky notes and the number 3 of the brushes. So out of the 6 names, we did pick the number 3 because it was from 1 to 4. And Debbie M is the person who won this giveaway. So if you guys would do me a big, huge favor, give a big congratulations to Debbie. This is a new name in our giveaway. All right, now the only other thing that I do here is right next to the name, we click to make sure I am on her subscriber list. And I am right there. So everything is good, Debbie. You checked out with the rules that I have to qualify for this giveaway. So congratulations, Debbie. All I need from you now is to email me or send me a DM on Instagram, and that is your full name and your address. And please make sure it is not a P.O. box. All right, you guys, I'm going to get ready, set up for the second giveaway, which is the one that has the Hank and Henry handheld mirror. So I'll see you in that video.